Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're here once again with Khago, Sky God, Ratned, Dealer, Jet. You know the whole of the name them. With a song called Dweet Easy. So it's I-Octane this. So Dweet Easy. What could he possibly say in a this? He must say, what am I say? Him kill Octane Easy. What you guys think? I don't know. But let's jump into the song and hear what the GS say. Let's go.
No breaks. Dealer. Nothing can save him.
So hold on. Him going back to the old rhythm now. Him going back to the old rhythm. So this is bam bam rhythm, right? What a bam bam.
No breaks. Dealer. Nothing can save him. Nothing can save him. Sky God.
The man say, yo, nothing can save you, Octane. Nothing can save you. No matter what you try, no matter what you do, nothing can save you. No Obia man, no Obia ring, no police, no judge, no liar, nothing can save you. That's what the GS say.
Nothing can save him.
Okay.
Sky God. You know what talk about save? Only Jesus save. Only thing I save a tombstone for engraved.
Boom. The man say, when I talk about save, only Jesus alone save. Only Jesus save. Only thing I save a tombstone for grave. I make it tongue tied in his reaction. Action.
Oh, save. Only Jesus save. Only thing I save a tombstone for engraved. Save. When the rifle them a wave, another take you war to a higher active. Yeah.
Bumbuckler. Don't worry, look like it just a start, dog. Like it just a start. The man say, yo, listen.
Oh, save. Only Jesus save. Only thing I save a tombstone for engraved. Save. When the rifle them a wave, another take you war to a higher active.
The man a say, yo, rotten the head a take the war higher right now. It'll go higher, it'll get higher. So hold on. So basically, him a say all of those who think Khago was stuck in third gear, no. We didn't reach fourth gear yet. That's what the G say. So him a tell us that he's about to take it to a higher level.
Yes, we set it. When the rifle them a wave, another take you war to a higher active. Yes, we set it. And them we not follow, we not bow, but them ground to the dollar.
Catch full of pussy. That's what the G say. Catch full of pussy.
Save. When the rifle them a wave, another take you war to a higher active. Yes, we set it. And them we not follow, we not bow, but them ground to the dollar.
Khago tell us straight, say, listen, me a stand up in this like a man. Me a stand up. Me not bow down for nothing. No sweets can't catch me. Me not bow down for nothing. For no deal. For no record deal. For no money. For no dollar. You see me? None of that. The man say, yo, listen, me a keep my moral and stand up firm in this. Me not have nowhere to go. You understand? Yeah.
Yes, we set it. And them we not follow, we not bow, but them ground to the dollar. Who tell the boy to this the worst color? Yo, a bad man footstep, the boy won't follow.
The man say, yo, who tell Octane for this, the war scholar? A bad man footstep, Octane won't follow. Octane, jump on a rhythm, bro. Jump on a rhythm, my fam. Jump on a rhythm and kick in Khago face on a rhythm and hear what go on. You see it? Yeah.
Who tell the boy to this the worst color? Yo, a bad man footstep, the boy won't follow. You know see the boy make you dumb. Warren down. You know have no composure like Warren down.
Huh? Hold on.
Who tell the boy to this the worst color? Yo, a bad man footstep, the boy won't follow. You know see the boy make you dumb. Warren down. You know have no composure like Warren down.
The man say, yo, you not have no composure like Warrington. Who is Warrington? I come from Clarendon. Merciless, R.I.P. Merciless. The man say, yo, listen, remember say if you run left Clarendon in the first of all, you not have no composure in the war. Like who? The great, the merciless. Warrington from Clarendon. What up, what up? You know, bad man to take bad up. Him not have the composer like Mercedes. That's how Khago said. Not me, guys, not me.
You know, see the boy make you dumb Clarendon. You know, have no composure like Warrington. I know the boy can't make a real wasa. Man, a bad man from Central.
Him can't make a what? What you say?
You know, see the boy make you dumb Clarendon. You know, have no composure like Warrington. I know the boy can't make a real wasa. Man, a bad man from Central.
The man say, yo, I'll know 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 can make a real song. I'll know 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 can make a real song. Then him left off of that and say, yo, listen. Man, I real madded. Man, I real sicked. From where? From where? Sentan. So, yo, basically, another line, yeah, where Sky gotta say, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 sang them nah phase him and them can't phase him because nothing no real way 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say, and it's basically saying 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is no threat right now. Like, come on. That's how the GS say. I'm just rephrasing it in a different way. And this is why people may say, yo, me nah be fair or whatever. I am being fair. I'm just saying it in a next way. So if Khago says something or 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 says something, me I go simplify it and go to a different way if you look on it also. You know?
I know the boy can't make a real wasa. Man, a bad man from Central. Why you talk about dead what? Loan copper in a head, no head back. That disappear can't jet a fly back. What?
Boy, you talk about dead what? Who dead? Must two fish head? Care me? Eh? Gunshot in a forehead, head back fly out. Hey. Who do that? Jetta, Sky God. Hey. That's how the G said, not me.
Loan copper in a head, no head back. That disappear can't jet a fly back. Worcester drop bomb skull with the war pipe. Look how easy me Dweet. In the war boy catch cold feet.
Bucklat. You know saying, look how easy me Dweet. In the war, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 catch cold feet. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you can't take this, brother. You can't take this. No, sir. No, sir. You can't take this, brother. Work can't done yet. Work can't done yet. No, sir. No, sir. Road. The
war pipe. Look how easy me Dweet. In the war boy catch cold feet. And him a run for retreat. Them have a wanna stop and repeat.
Man say 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 run for retreat. Did 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 forward on any interview or any platform and say, yo, him done? Or am I run for retreat? Or what? What go on here, so? What go on? Because look at me, I'm missing something with that one here. What go on with that one here? What go on? This is like, what them a do, Khago? Them a forward in your DM or them a message you and I say you're done, or somebody from him team a message you and say you're done, or call you and say done? What go on? Tell me the man.
Say no coffee, no ring, not even funeral like it. That's so easy me Dweet. Oh God, that's so easy me Dweet. That's so easy me Dweet. Now lime and a head fiber like freeze. Land a ground like shot put.
Bucklat. Head lang a ground like shot put heavy, no?
So easy me Dweet. Now lime and a head fiber like freeze. Land a ground like shot put. I talk them a talk, couple lines from a scrapbook. And all the item I in the city where now.
Yo, the man I say, yo, basically what I say is 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 going a scrapbook and I take out things where that is frictional. I'm going to the scrapbook, them and see things and take it and say, you know, so this is going to sound good, man, put another song here. That's how Khago say, in a different way, once again. You see me? So, the man I say, yo, forward with something real and load the frictional thing them where you make up in the head, bro, cause nothing where you say that make no sense. That's how Khago say, not me.
Now lime and a head fiber like freeze. Land a ground like shot put. I talk them a talk, couple lines from a scrapbook. And all the item I in the city where now. This rocky take the one spinner. You turn it up to the top or to the limit. Me say me never lose a fight, me always win it. Yo, I talk them a talk now. Look up.
The man say, yo, he's declaring, say, listen, me never lose a fight, me always win it. So, we can name what him go up against in a dancehall so far. we can see the track records of his clashes. So, I mean,
me say me never lose a fight, me always win hard. Yo, I talk them a talk now. Look how easy me do it. Inna the war, boy, catch cold feet. And him a run to retreat. Them have a wanna stop party. Say no coffee, no V. Not even funeral like it. That's how easy me do it. Oh God, that's how easy me do it. Nothing can save them.
nothing can save them.
God, that's how easy me do it. Nothing can save them. Nothing can save. Oh no, I talk about save. Only Jesus save. Only thing I save a tombstone thing grave. Save. When the rifle them a wave, that take you out.
So earlier on, when I said this is the bam bam rhythm, I don't think so. This is a mixture of a few drums and snares and some other instrumentum in here. Like, this is not the exact bam bam rhythm. But it sounds familiar though. Which part of rhythm I thought from?
To a higher active, yes, we set it trend them. We not follow, we not bow, but them grounds for the dollar. Who tell the boy to this the world scholar? Yo, a bad man footstep, the boy won't follow. You know see the boy let you down, clearing down. He no have no composure like wiring down. And now the boy can't make a real war song. Man, a bad man from center. Boy, you talk about dead what? Lone copper in a head, no head back. That disappear, can't jet a fly back. Worcester job bomb skull with the war pilot. Easy me do it. Inna the war boy catch cold feet. And him a run for retreat. Them have a wanna stop party. Say no coffee, no V. Not even funeral like it. That's so easy me do it. Oh God, that's so easy me do it.
Yo. Is that Khago? Get Octane a chance to reply to the song them. Get Octane a chance to reply to the song them, brother. Octane, what you doing, brother? Conquer the globe. What go on, brother? That's your 2 song, man. What go on? Crash not done it, brother. And not summer yet. And not Christmas yet. Remember, say Khago saying take that one a personal in Octane. So you can't make him saying take it personal and when done forward come go on with one bag of thing and you see me? Yeah, so forward out, man. Forward out, man. No one done it, man. You see me? Well, me know say Octane I go forward out with something anyway, so because Khago is literally over here declaring victory Octane and I'm sure you will have something to say about that. You see me? Sky God, big up yourself. Khago, big up yourself. Jetta Life, big up yourself. Khagonians, big up on yourself. Octane, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Thanks for the entertainment that you guys are putting on. I say it in every reaction because I really mean it. Thanks for the entertainment that you guys are giving us. We needed it. The dancehall did need it, like really need it. And wanna give it. So Khago, ease up, and give Octane some space for think. Give him some space for think. To drop a song. Don't drop a next one until Octane drop a next song because I'm curious to hear what Octane say. Octane, forward out, bro. But they are wait. Pan a bomb off a drop and kick in Khago nose bridge. Brocky in a 2. You know? Anyway, this one I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more from your G. Thanks to the new subscribers as well. Thanks to the new followers them. Thanks to the original one them too. This time I'm gonna leave that one there. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more from your G. You know what to do, man. Subscribe on there if you want to see you in the next one.